Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I will tell you an interesting incident from the life of promised Messiah alayhi salam, a unique relationship of a father and son. Hazrat Maulvi Abdul Karim rahmatullahi narrates a famous incident in which Hazrat Muslim Maud was only 3 years old. One summer evening in Ludhiana, the promised Messiah ﷺ was looking after his son, who was constantly crying. Meanwhile, the young Sayyidzada Hazrat Mirza Mahmud Ahmad ﷺ put forward a unique wish saying, Abba Tare Jannah. That means, I want to go to the stars. After narrating this incident, Hazrat Maulvi Sahib states that the child stopped crying after exhausting himself. The promised Messiah ﷺ did not express a single word of discomfort during the interval.